I've seen Durabuilt on numerous home builds, and then I went to the Home and Garden Show, took a look at their booth and their product. I was contacted by Ryan. He lives quite close to me in my neighborhood, and then just kind of dealing with him, I made the process pretty easy. Initial consultation was pretty seamless. Came in, looked at the measurements, talked about what I wanted. We went over a few other options back and forth, and it was pretty seamless. I'm actually super happy. I think the color and style looks really good. It updates the house quite a bit. And then I just had my energy audit, and the guy was blown away for an '03 home, how airtight this home was. And even without the blinds on right now, the house actually stays way cooler than what it was before with my old windows and the blinds down.